Hi everyone, welcome to another video with me, Laura. I've got a bit of an unboxing video or an unpackaging video today. As you can see here, which I'm going to do on camera. If you've been following me on Instagram, you may recognise these guys. So you can follow me on Instagram up there. I'd love to see you over there. I spend a lot of time on Instagram and I chat with a lot of people over there. So do come say hi, you can see what I'm working on. But you may have seen these little woolly bears that I've been designing, and I will share the pattern for these guys very soon. But the yarn I've been using for these is a cotton yarn by Hobium and by the Lamia range of yarns, and I've got a lot of them in here hopefully, so we're going to open up and have a look. The reason being is because next year I'm going to be doing a lot more amigurumi projects, little cute soft toys and things like that, because I love making them, so, and I don't do nearly enough. So let's put a little woolly bear and his friend to the side and open up this, shall we? Big flyer on this. This always makes me laugh though. It's a good thing to have on here, but it says please check your package before receiving. But this is from DHL, but our DHL delivery guy, he pretty much just runs away when he delivers something. So the chance of actually checking my package before receiving it would be very difficult. And also, I unbox this on camera. I unpackage this on camera, so I'd have to make my little DHL guy wait around while I film. It's like, come on, take two, deliver it again. But let's open this up, shall we? Let's have a look inside. Okay, so, and I'm super impressed with this delivery because I'm sure she sent it out like yesterday, I think, and it's already arrived today. So that's just all the way from Turkey as well. I think this has actually come from Turkey, all the way from Istanbul. So let's have a look at this yarn, shall we? Wow, there's loads in here. Oh. So here we go. Oh, fantastic selection of colours. I absolutely love the colour range of these yarns. Here we go. So these are all the colours. So I think I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit so you can see all these yarns. But let's have a little look. So open up one of these bags and show you in more detail one of the yarns. So let's pick this little guy. So the Lamia yarn is a cotton yarn, as you can see here. It's 100% cotton, and these are cute little balls. So they're sort of about, for scale, my size of my hand, smaller than the average size ball. You get about 60 meters, and they are, I think they're like just pretty much a DK yarn. So a yarn weight of 3, so 3 to 4 sides crochet hook. So about a DK weight, and yeah, so they're called mini cottony. And they're really nice to work with for amigurumi, as you can see on this guy. I think this is actually, ironically, the same colour, I think. There we go. So super fun to work with, and the colour range is really, really nice because I want to do some amigurumi in like pastel colours, but really nice colours, not too bland. So these are all the colours that they've got. Different one here. I don't think they have names on their colours. I think they just have, it doesn't say what the colours are. So I don't know whether it's different on the website, but I'll put links to their English website in the description below. They've also got a Turkish website as well. And let's see what else is in here. There seems to be something else inside. I think that's all in the packaging. Something mysterious in this bag. So this is their main website, but this one goes to the Turkish speaking website, I think. So I think if you go to hobiumyarns.com or something similar, you get the English website. So depending on whether you're Turkish or you speak English, you can go to which one you prefer. But let's open up this bag. Oh, look at this. So I'm going to save the best to last. So it's got a little pom-pom maker, which is super cute. Got a few of those now. They're really useful, really nice. And oh, 50% off. So whoever gets to use that first, you guys can have 15% off your purchase of $50 or more at Hobium Yarns. So that's valid from the 1st of April, or is that going to be the 4th of January? I don't know which way round that is, whether they've done the American way or the British way. But that's valid from somewhere in 2019 up to $500. Limit 1 coupon per transaction. cannot be combined with any other offers or coupons. So yeah, so if you want 15% off, if you purchase more of $50 or more at hobiumyarns.com, so that's their English website, hobiumyarns.com, then use that coupon code. So there you go. I'll give that to you guys, whoever gets there first. And yeah, so that's cool. And there's something else in here. Oh, look at this. This is sweet. Handmade, little label. Handmade hobium. So if I make something with hobium, I can put that on. That'd be really nice on a hat, good shape, or a bag. That's so sweet. I had another similar one of those from hobium, made with love, I think it said. But my daughter stole it. She loved it. So, but look at this. This is so cute. There's something else in here as well. Oh, stickers. I've actually got one of these on my laptop. And they're cool. Love hobium. I need to get some Happy Berry ones, some stickers, don't I? That should be cool. Oh, there's another one in here as well. A love hobium sticker. Yay. Yeah, I have to get some Happy Berry ones made up and put them in your crochet kits, wouldn't I? That's what I'll have to do. But check this out. This is so sweet. Look at this. There's a couple of bags. Oh my dear, hobium.com. It's so cute. It's like a little rabbit dressed up as a deer. That's so sweet, with his nice woolly jumper on. Hobium.com, and there's 2 of them. Let's see what it says on the back. All you knit is love. Oh, isn't that lovely? That's really, really nice. So there we go. That is a little introduction. I have introduced these yarns before, but I wanted to just talk about them to say that I'm going to be working on some amigurumi. So if you have any sort of favourite type of amigurumi that you're looking for, not famous characters, because I don't do copyrighted trademark designs like Hello Kitty and all that. I never do any of that. So it's for legal reasons, but if you have a favourite animal or something like that, you've got any ideas, then let me know in the comments below and I might just make it happen. We'll see what happens next year. But for now, I will say goodbye and I will see you soon for some more crochet fun. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love these colours. So nice.